ganito ang buhay ng volunteer, no? Me and my wife had been doing this for the last few weeks. Ang reward, the only reward that you will get is you met a lot of good people, no? Me and my wife volunteer for Duterte, no? We don't ask for anything in return, and also we don't have any fund. Like the fuel and the daily operations of this campaign is shouldered by us. The stickers, we call a lot of friends, no? We call friends, and they will, like the sticker that we are using now, it came from Panabo, Davao del Norte. A friend rang me and said come and pick up, a few thousands of stickers. So those are the spirit of voluntarism na hindi mo nakikita sa ibang kandidato. You could even ask yung mga printing press dito, tanungin mo kung may mga nagpapagawa ba ng mga stickers na on the other group. Wala. Pero kung tanungin mo kay Duterte, makikita mo dyan. Even the tricycle drivers, they pay for own stickers. 650 isa, they will spend 13 pesos of their hard-earned money just to make sure na mayroon din silang sticker doon sa sasakyan nila. So, feel natin yung pagbabago. I think the good thing with the Duterte movement is it's coming from the ground. It's coming from the people. I think the people had been puno na gusto na rin talaga na yung tunay na pagbabago. So yun ganun ang nangyayari ngayon. And a lot of people hindi nila na maintindihan. No, sabi nga the Duterte movement is a phenomenon kay you will see people movement coming from all sectors of life, no? All sectors of the community. We have the higher class, we have the middle class, and we have the lower class. So kanya-kanyang galawan yan, walang nag-uutos. So people believe on what he wants to accomplish. And as we said, ako personally, I am an OFW. The reason I came home to support Mayor Duterte is because my daughter had been studying in Davao for the last 3 years. She's a 20-year-old girl, and she's safe. So as an OFW, I would like to share the same experience where sa abroad kasi sobrang lungkot, sobrang pagod. And then kung intindihin mo pa kung safe o hindi yung pamilya mo dito sa Pilipinas, madadagdagan yung sakripisyo mo, madadagdagan yung lungkot mo. Ang hirap magtrabaho, ang hirap makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa na hindi ka 100% nakafocus sa trabaho mo dahil sa sitwasyon dito sa Pilipinas. Now, if God's will na magiging presidente si Duterte, yung pag-worry natin sa safety ng family natin dito sa Pilipinas, hindi na magiging balakid, makaka-focus na tayo sa trabaho natin abroad. So, ganon.
Candido, natasato, mga kriminal. Candido, natasato, mga kriminal. Hanggang-hana kami sa iyong kabaitan. Ang sigaw ng bayan, dito ang kailangan.
So it's not hard to sell Duterte. It's, ang problema lang yun na mo mga volunteer, hurot-hurot yun na mo ang mga stickers, because we could give 100 stickers in 1 minute. Ana ang range sana. So it's a good feeling. Kita mo na yung manoktok sa kutsi, di ba? Tanan-tanan.
So kanasa ka nag-start ani?
Since we had this car. So this car had been with us for less than a month. We already clocked 1,438 kilometers.
Just for the campaign.
Just for the campaign.
So why? What motivates you?
Because Duterte has no money, and if we will not help, this country will not change. I believe on what he could accomplish. I have seen Davao. I like the 911 to be used nationwide. I like the discipline to be adapt nationwide. I want to walk this road, this street at 2 a.m. This street here, you cannot walk at 2 a.m. in the morning. One of my dream is, of course, to see this street safe again. So if he will keep his promise to get rid of the criminals, then the streets will be given back to the citizens. As of the moment, the streets is for the criminals. So it hurt to, that's the truth, but it's, that's why we need to help. Duterte cannot change this country alone. It should start on ourselves, but we have to do our part first. Kailangan muna natin siyang manalong presidente, dahil pag hindi siya manalo, then ganun pa rin. Next year we will be back here again, or in 6 years time we will be back here again, and we still be longing for change. Pero I don't know if we can achieve it.
Pahinga na sticker.
Sticker daw.
Dalawa pa. Kuya. Kuya. Kuya, dalawa. Oh, sticker.
Sticker daw isa oh. Anong pait man ang buhay sa volunteer?
Kaya alam mo, parang kay Duterte.
Ano sa tao to?
Ako eksena.
Buwis buhay!
Basta hapit ka maligsan.
Yeah, muntikan pang, kung sabi sa'yo pa, boys buhay, boys buhay. Para kay Duterte. Para sa bansang Pilipinas, para sa mga Pilipino. Duterte, boys buhay.
Grabe, buwis buhay.
Live sa iyong
Yan ang buhay namin araw-araw. Nakakapagod, init, lalong-lalo sa Jensen sobrang init. Pero okay lang, pag nakita mo naman yung mga tao na nakikipag-awgawan sa dala yung sticker, hindi hindi matumbasan ng kahit anong pera yung kasiyahan na nakikita namin yung mga tao mismo gusto ng pagbabago. Ngayon, panahon na ng halo-halo.